Today we're going to be working on a 2022 Kia EV6. We're going to be testing the WiLinq in this vehicle, which translates wired Android Auto to wireless, and we'll show you how to connect that. Alright, so the first step will be connecting your phone via wire, just to make sure everything's good between the factory radio and your phone. You might get a few prompts for Bluetooth. As you can see, it connected via Bluetooth. We've got Android Auto up. Now we'll go ahead and connect the WiLinq. Alright, so now we're ready to connect the WiLinq. We'll be plugging in the Type-C cable into the top of the WiLinq here. As you can see, it's turned on. And from here, we'll go on our phone, and under Bluetooth, you're going to look for the WiLinq device. Now I've connected to the WiLinq, and it should be swapping over to the Android Auto now. There we go. And now we're connected to wireless Android Auto.